Nippon India Balanced Advantage Fund has been serving investors since November 2004. It aims for potential upside in equities while attempting to limit the downside risk. It follows a dynamic asset allocation model driven by strong research, robust processes, and stringent risk management. Since inception, it has delivered a CAGR of 15.22%. Thank you, investors and partners, for your trust. Join us in wishing Nippon India Balanced Advantage Fund a very happy birthday. Nippon India Mutual Fund. Wealth sets you free. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.